So join me on this journey of visual storytelling and find out how you can do this timeless technique. So double exposure is a photographic technique where you take two images and put them together to create this really artistic effect. So to create double exposure, you need to take two photographs and combine them together so they go together seamlessly. One of the most common ways to do double exposure is to take pictures of a forest or any greenery and then take a headshot of someone facing to the side. Usually is the best thing to do, and you can combine these two images together and then it really makes such a good image this way. So now I'll just show you some images to give you an example of how this effect can look. Another way to take double exposure is to take a portrait shot and combine it with a floral scene. And now I'll just show you some examples of how this type of effect can look. But experiment with different scenes and different subjects. And don't be afraid to get creative with your compositions. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you can really create really fantastic double exposure shots and make your vision and your creativity really shine through in your images. But if you want to know some easy, straightforward tips on how to pose men, click this video here or here, wherever it's popping up on the screen.